Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mazda 3. It's 2 litre. Finished obviously black. Lovely condition. Just left the roof bars on. They can come off if you want. Just left them on just in case because they're not cheap. As you can see, it's in lovely condition. Alloy wheels. It's really gleaming. Just to show you around the car. Very reliable. Boot house all nice with rear parcel shelf. Centre armrest with the cup holders, electric windows, electric mirrors. Start it up. All lights go on and off as they should. 98,581 miles. The multifunction steering wheel. Auto headlights. Got satellite navigation. Media pack. Home page. Bluetooth connectivity, 2 keys, 6-speed gearbox, centre armrest, the augs in there and the USB. Great value for money. So it drives like half the mileage. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.